So this right here is called gooseneck. What I did, as you saw a little bit as I was packing, is I took this entire waterproof layer and I twisted it around like tight as hell at the top. Pushed out all the air from the inside, so there's nothing that like as it gets like pushed around, like it's not gonna explode or pop like a plastic bag. And once I get it twisted up nice and tight, just like that, I tuck the top right into the back of the backpack. So now that's gonna stay there because it's all like pressed against the back. And when water comes down, it just kind of like runs around that backpack, but all the stuff on the inside, that stays dry. So that's gonna be a-okay.